That begins slowly and proceeds to advance And now, for your viewing and listening pleasure, it's the Jackson State University Sonic Boom of the South. Jackson, Dyn-o-mite, featuring chevron designs cascading across the field. Show-stopping performance, the legendary Sonic Boom of the South has been invited back to the Hunter Battle of the Bands in Atlanta, Georgia for 2016. Every girl in America wants to be one, but only a select few get to be a prancing J-set.